Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. I just wanted to drop a quick hot lap. This is Jason's best lap from the GTA Finals weekend. It's a 147.7. We had repaired the damper. That was all good to go. And quick turnaround time, 2 weeks from Grid Life Laguna Seca. So got the car back and running perfectly fine. But 147.7 wasn't good enough in place. I think it was a fifth place finish for us, for Jason. I wasn't competing. But yeah, man, tough competition. First place finished with a 45.7 or 45.8, 145.7, 145.8, can't remember. But yeah, pretty fast cars. And Jason had also not driven the car in 6 months. And then the time before that, I can't even remember. Like, he doesn't obviously track that car very much. It's usually me competing with it. So, yeah, to come out and lay down a 47 is pretty damn good. So, he's improving as a driver, and yeah, we'll be back next year. We got a lot of plans next year, so yeah, stick around. We'll be doing a lot more updates on all that stuff coming pretty soon here because we're gonna have to get started working on that. So, yep, hope you guys enjoy it. Later.